pan, add 3 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar.
Half a spoon salt. Then add 200 ml of water and wait for the water to boil. Add the brown sugar.
After boiling, add pandan leaves. After cooking, remove from heat pandan leaves. Then, put it in the pan.
Then stir until evenly distributed. Then add 24 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour. Then stir until evenly mixed.
If the dough is ready, so take a little dough, flatten it, then fill with brown sugar to taste round ball. If so, plate it in boiling water up to the eyes.
When it's ready, left and drain.
Then sprinkle with coconut, which has been grated until evenly distributed. Then arrange the clefon on a plate.
Melted clefon cake ready to be served.